Okie doke. Hi, everyone. What are we going to do today? Let's do an Alina pattern. I've got this many left of box number 2. I've got a lot left of box number 3, but let's do box number 2. Let's do one of these. This one is called AMIS. Okay. It's a ribbon tangle. I may do it on a bookmarky shape piece of paper because I have some. Ooh, that's a big piece of paper, but that's okay. We can trim that. It's not straight. That is definitely not a straight piece of paper. Look at that. Look at how much is there and how much is over here. Not a straight piece of paper. Let's remedy that first off. Let me just draw a line here. And then I will cut that with a simple scissors. It's kind of big for a bookmark, but you know, you can have a chunky bookmark, right? It's a little long. I think maybe if I had a bookmark that size, I'd want it about this big. Cut that little piece off. We'll use that little piece for something else. Okay. That's better, and it fits in my frame better. All right, so what are we going to do? We're going to make a zigzag. And then after that zigzag, we're going to do an aura, but only part of it. So we're going to aura this part of the V, and then stop. So we're not going to come all the way to the tip. And the same thing going this way on both sides. See that? So we're just not going to do a tip on that second aura. Then in here, we're going to do a teardrop with an aura all the way through. And then we're going to do this kind of a winged leaf shape right there. And then a kind of a bracket shaped petal right here in the middle. We can do that. This is fairly simple. We can do that. So let's start with a zigzag. I think I'm going to pencil this out just a little bit just because, where'd my pencil go? There it is. I don't want it to get too close to the edge, so I am going to make a border. And I'm going to go ahead and zigzag. Like that. Just like that. I think that would be good. Can you guys even see what I just did? No, you can't. You'll get it in a second. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to draw with this pen. I found this pen in a box of things. I don't even know where it came from. I think it came from either a Jazza or a Nerdy Crafter, probably Jazza set. It says Tombow on it, and it says calligraphy pen. I want to try it. I'm going to get this scrap piece of paper. I want to see what it does. It says calligraphy. But does it... I guess if I push, I can get a little tiny little thing, or I can get a bigger one. Oh, that's interesting. It's got a flexy kind of nib on it. Can you guys see that? Let me zoom way in. Oh, too far. Okay. Can you see how this is squishing? I don't know if you can see that. It's an interesting pen. So look how little I can get, but I can also push harder and get like a calligraphy. That's an interesting pen. Maybe I'll use that one. I don't know if it's waterproof. Does it say on here? There's a brush. What does that mean? Does that mean it's waterproof or not waterproof? I don't know. We're going to give it a try. Ooh, now you're way zoomed in. Let's give this a try. I like the line that it's making. It's interesting. Because it's thick, but it's not? Huh. All right. Well. That gives an interesting line. It's not as noticeable as like a chisel nib where you have a distinct edge. Oh, I like it. Okay. So then from here I want sort of a wing-like shape. And then a bracket shape. That's fun. That's a fun shape. Do I want the half a... I think I do. Okay. I really like that. That's it's a fun pen, and I like this pattern, both of them. Interesting. Okay, this is AMIS. Okay, and then let's color I think this feels like it needs color. Metallic colors, though, I think would be the way to go with this one. Okay. Go with that metallic green. Then we're going to go with this metallic lavender. Then this thing I think will be lavender as well. It is starting to warm up today. I thought it was going to stay nice. Well, it's still nice outside. It's just starting to get hot in here. But that's okay. We can be done for the day soon. Got one more video to record today, and then I can be done. I will have my week finished. I try, you guys know me, try to get 1 week worth of videos recorded in one day, because I do still work full time, or nearly full time. I want this kind of corally color. Coppery color? I don't know what it is. I'm enjoying my coloring. This is fun. Could I spend hours coloring this? Well, maybe not hours. It's not a very big piece. But could I spend longer coloring it? Absolutely I could. But I just want to give it a little pop of color. that, and then I think I want to give it a pop of gold. I have my gold metallic marker. Looks kind of bronzy. I don't know, that says it's gold, but maybe I want to go with copper. No, I'll go with gold. I'll stick with gold. Make a fence. You know, for being cheap markers, these are really pretty good. You know where these came from? The Dollar Tree. Crafter Square. What a fun little marker it is. Okay. I want to fix a couple of spots here. Okay. I think I'm done. It's very shiny, but not in a super gaudy way. It's just classy. That would make a really nice bookmark for somebody. That's going to go in my pile of things to give away when I'm on my next vacation. I like to do that. All right, you guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you on the next video for Friday. Yeah, and you just have a blessed day. See you later. Bye-bye.